Hello YouTube, and today I have for you a set of Indian coins and different Indian states coins. This is a collection that's 32 coins in total, and I paid $62.85. So let's open it up, see what we got. Wow, that's a really big 50 rupees coin. It's huge. Okay, I have all the coins laid out for you here. And in the upper left corner here, we have an Indian 50 rupee coin. It's a commemorative coin, 1974 year. And this is actually 50% silver. This coin is worth $33 by itself. The next coin over we have is a 50 paise coin from 1969. It's worth 70 cents. Next coin we have over is another 50 paise coin. It is worth from 1964. The next coin we have is a 1943 half rupee. This is actually 50% silver, and it is worth $4.50. Going down to the next line here. This is a 1/4 rupee 1943 coin. It is also 50% silver. It is worth $3.40. The next coin over is a 1/2 Anna coin, and it's 1946. It's worth $1. Okay, the next coin over is also a 1/4 Anna coin. It is from 1835. It is worth approximately $16. Next coin is also an 1835 1/4 Anna coin. It's worth $2.90. And then the final coin that we have in the row here is a India 5 cash 1803 coin. It is worth $8 in that condition. And going down to the next row, here we have the Indian princely states coins. Starts here. These next 5 coins are the Indian princely state of Gwalior, if I'm pronouncing that right. They are all 1/4 Anna coins, and they are, the first 4 are all 1917 coins, and they are worth $7.50. Okay, on the bottom row we have here a coin from another Indian princely state. This is from the state of Mysore, and this is a 20 cash coin from 1840. This is worth approximately $40. And if we go over to the next area here, these 14 coins here are all 1/4 Anna coins from the Indian princely state of Jodhpur, and they are all worth $4.50, and they are from the years 1901 to 1910. I'm not exactly sure how to read the years on here, if they even are dated at all. Now the next 2 coins that we have here are from the Indian princely state of Kutch, and I believe that they are 1 Kori coins. I'm not sure of the year. I'm going to have to do some more research to figure out what year they are, but they are 100% silver. And then the final coin we have here is from the Indian princely state of Mawar, and this is a 1/4 Anna coin from 1942. It is worth approximately $5.80. Let's try some different lighting levels here. Okay, this is the 50 rupee 1974 coin. It's approximately worth $33. It is half silver. And just for comparison's sake, this is a US quarter to show you the size of this coin. And there's the obverse. Really a very nice coin. These are the 2 India 50 paise coins, one from 1969 and one from 1964. And we'll just show you the obverse. They're both commemorative coins. This is the 1943 half rupee coin. valued at $4.50. Again, this is half silver, 50% silver coin. Very nice looking coin. Okay, here's the quarter rupee coin from 1943, worth $3.40. It is 50% silver. Again, a very nice looking coin. Here's a half Anna coin from 1946, valued at $1. And here we have the two 1835 quarter Anna coins. One is actually smaller than the other. One is 25.4 millimeters, the other is 26 millimeters across. They are different mints, that's why they're different sizes. One of these coins is actually worth $16, where one is only worth $2.90. And here we have a 1803 5 cash coin. And this one is worth approximately $8. And here we have the Indian Princely States coins again. These are quarter Anna coins from 1917. And the one on the end is a 1913 coin from Gwalior. And those four there are worth $7.50, and the one on the end is worth $1.10. And this is another Indian Princely State from Mysore. This is a 20 cash coin from 1840, worth approximately $40. I think actually that's upside down. I think that is the correct orientation for the reverse right there. Good if I can center it a little. Okay, and these next 14 coins are all quarter Anna coins from between 1901 and 1910 from Jodhpur, another Indian princely state. And we'll turn it over to the reverse. And I'm not sure of the orientation, honestly, for the reverse. I believe part of this is written in Urdu, which is not one of the languages I speak or can interpret. Very nice coins though. Approximately worth $4.50 each. These next two coins are from the Indian princely state of Kutch, and I believe that these are 1 Kori coins from the early 1800s. They are 100% silver. I am again not sure what year they are. I'm going to have to do some more research before I can figure out what year they are and what their value is. I've seen several examples online. These coins are probably worth anywhere from $15 to $20 each. But I'm going to have to do a lot more research to figure out which specific ones these are. Okay, and the final coin we have for you today is from the Indian princely state of Mewar. And this is a quarter Anna coin from 1942. It's approximately worth $5.80. And we'll show you the reverse. And there you have it. So overall, I think this was a pretty good investment for an Indian coin collection. Having paid approximately $62.85, and so far the estimate I have of the total coins is almost $210 worth of coins here. Let's try some different lighting levels. So overall, not a bad investment. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.